Welcome to Prime Force unboxing toy videos. I don't know what I'm gonna call this yet, episode wise or whatever. So this is the first episode. Behind me is my set of stuff that I've been collecting. Alright, for first episode we're gonna unbox the In Space Silver Ranger from Power Rangers. And we're gonna just give him a good look. There he is. In Space Silver. It's pretty cool. Camera's a little far away. It's the first time I'm doing this, so I gotta mess around with my camera. Get a little closer shot, but that's him. He comes with the human head, Zane. Too far away to show you. The lightning effect for his weapon. Extra hands. Blaster. Alright, here he is with the rest of the Power Rangers in Space group. I gotta figure out how to put him in there with everybody else. Gotta do a little arranging. But yeah, that's it. Hey! What do you want to say? Anything, anybody? No? Alright. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. And this is only episode 1. It's probably not very good, but bear with me. We're gonna work on it. Prime Force out. Alright, here we are with the whole group all together. And Stormy.